Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Roblox piano. First, familiarize yourself with the Roblox piano interface. Most pianos have at least 2 octaves, allowing for a wide range of notes. Take a few moments to press different keys and hear their sounds. Ensure your Roblox game is loaded and you are near a functional piano. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth musical experience, preparing you to create your first Minecraft tune. Next, focus on the music itself. Minecraft has many iconic, simple melodies perfect for piano. Start by finding the notes for a song like Sweden or the main theme. You can often find these notes online, sometimes even color-coded. Practice playing 3 to 5 notes at a time, slowly building up your muscle memory. Patience is key as you learn to translate these tunes to the Roblox piano. Now, let's put those notes into action on the Roblox piano. Each key on the virtual piano corresponds to a specific note. Carefully map the notes of your chosen Minecraft song to these keys. Use your keyboard or mouse to press the notes in the correct sequence and rhythm. Don't be afraid to try playing notes in higher or lower octaves to find the perfect sound for your rendition. Precision makes a big difference. Finally, elevate your performance with advanced techniques. Pay attention to the rhythm and dynamics of the original Minecraft songs to add more feeling to your playing. Consider inviting friends to play alongside you, creating a full band experience with multiple instruments. Many Roblox games allow you to record and share your musical creations, letting others enjoy your unique Minecraft piano covers. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.